Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a prize I won off of Instagram. I was a lucky winner to the Queen & Co. giveaway on their feed, and I'm so excited to share with you what I won. This is an awesome prize pack, and I think this is something that is a new release of a product in their store. So let me share with you what I won. It was me and Maria Russell here on YouTube. We won together, so that was so awesome. So I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to play with this kit. So let me share with you, this is a birthday kit, and so in this kit you get a stamp set, and it looks like this. Hope that's focused. It's kind of hard to see, but it says make a wish, time to celebrate. It has really cute party hats, and it says let's party and happy birthday. Really cute. So you get the stamp set, and then it comes with these sticky dots, and then the exciting part is it comes with some dies. So you get a really cute banner, and you can die cut out the balloons from the stamp set, and then there's the party hat, and that looks like an ice cream cone and a cupcake wrapper, and you get a candle and some stars and some other little pieces, and it coordinates with the stamp set, so you get to stamp it and then die cut it out. So super cute. So excited to play with that. And then in the kit, look at this bag. You get all of this in the bag. So I'm going to take it out and just show you. You get all of these fun little pieces. So look at all these little gemstones. They're so pretty. So you get all of these different colors in the kit. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with this. And then you get all of these different colored pom-poms. I mean, look, there's different blues, there's greens. You get this pretty teal and hot pink, and then you get some smaller ones in yellow, and even some smaller ones. So they come in 3 different sizes, it looks like. Yep, it does. 3 different sizes and all of these different colors. So that is super exciting. And then you get all of that, and then it also comes with a paper pad, and this is a really pretty paper pad, and it is double-sided. So let me share with you what the paper pad looks like. Then it is, you know, party themed, so really cute. And I am so excited. I cannot wait to cut into this. I really love these colors right here. Really pretty. Looks like you get 4 sheets of each, and 6 are double-sided. So there's 12 styles, and it's called Birthday Bash. So maybe that's what the kit is called. I can't remember, but I think that's what it's called, Birthday Bash. So super cute. And not only does it come with the stamps, the dies, and the little pom-poms, it also comes with these instructions on how to use the kit. So it shows you all these different examples of how to use it. I'll kind of come in a little bit closer so you can see the different cards that you can make. So I love that that they do that, so they give you ideas on how to use the kit. And then on the back it even shows you how to create the cupcake, an instructional sheet on how to do that. So really fun. And then you get a second one as well on how to put the card together. So that's really nice as well. And then this is the complete kit right here. And yep, that's what it's called. It's called Birthday Bash Kit. And that is what you get in this kit. So if you're interested, definitely go check out Queen & Company. I love their dies. There's actually another kit that I want to purchase that I saw on Armin share. It's on my wish list, so I'm gonna hopefully get it one day, but it's a super cute birthday themed sweet treat kit as well. Anyway, I'm super excited about this kit. Thank you, Queen & Company, for sending this to me. I'm super excited, and that's all I have today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.